Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day number 3. I am running late for work. Well, not too late. It's an early day here at 7:30, and yeah, that's pretty much my Friday routine wages there. But I'm gonna go to work, then I'll be out at 4 o'clock. Probably talk to you guys then. Then we gotta go to a cookie spot party with those cookies I made yesterday, right? Talk to y'all later. Alright guys, it is the evening. I did get home a little bit after 4 o'clock, but I was making dinner and all that. And actually that's what we made for dinner. Homemade pizza. Mine's in the fridge already since I gotta leave in probably about half an hour, and I didn't want to scarf bathing down before I left, so I had white broccoli pizza. I know some people might think that's gross, but it's good. To me, it's good. But I'm just waiting for Dave to get home and spend a little time with them before I head back out. So I'm really not gonna vlog too much at the time it's a Christmas party. Well, it is a Christmas cookie party. I might show some pictures and I'll insert them. But if I don't catch up with you guys, I know there wasn't much going on today. Just a normal work day for me. But I will check in tomorrow. I'll probably do some decorating tomorrow. Since the trees are pink. I have 2 trees up. There's no ornaments or anything, just the lights. Relit. Thanks for popping in, guys, today, and we'll check you in the next video.